Okay, we're out at the range. We're going to transition from the Zastava PAP, shooting through the window from the knee. Transition to the Sig Sauer P2022 40 caliber. A little bit of attack mode, then a couple rounds from the knee. Then we'll transition to the Mossberg 500 chainsaw edition and blow a couple little cans away. Here we go. You are. Mossberg 500 chainsaw edition, 4-end grip, side saddle, fun gun to shoot. Zastava PAP 10-round single stack AK variant, very accurate out of the box, iron sights only right now. A couple upgrades here soon. First time shooting it, great shot. Sig Sauer P2022 40 caliber. Great little gun, very accurate out of the box. Can't beat it as a side carry.